story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, towing package, hill assist system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.